So today we'll see exercise 2.2 question number 9 and 10. Let's get started. So in ninth question, the ages of Rahul and Arun are in the ratio 5 is to 7. So here they have not given the exact age of Rahul and Arun, instead they have given in ratio. So we have to take it as x, as because we don't know the present age of Rahul and Arun. They have given in ratio. So let's ages of Rahul be 5x, Rahul to be 5x and Harun to be 7x. So ages of Rahul be 5x and Harun be 7x. In the next sentence, 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So here what they have trying to say is, after 4 years, if we add both the ages of Rahul and Harun, we will be getting the result as 56 years. After 4 years, ராகுல்தும் அருந்தும் ஆட் பண்ணோன்னா நமக்கு என்ன ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்கும்? 56 இயர்ஸ்ன்னு கிடைக்கும். அதான் அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டோட மீனிங். ஸோ after that they have asked what are their present ages. So there is a lot of difference between what are their present ages and what are their ages of Rahul and Harun after 4 years. So there is quite difference in it. While solving the sum, I will let you know how to do that. So we have taken, let the present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. Then after 4 years later, how their ages will become. We don't know what their exact age is. So 5x, that is Arun age, Rahul age, and 7x, that is Arun age after 4 years, as they have given 4 years later. Later means we need to add plus 4. If it is going to be 4 years before, you need to subtract it minus 4. Okay, so here as they have given in later, so we are writing it as 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. This is the age of Rahul after 4 years and this is the age of Harun after 4 years. So if we sum, what will be getting? 56 years will be getting the result. So we are adding both the terms, 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 equal to 56, and variables, or pick all the variable terms in LHS and take all the numbers to RHS. So if we write, what will be getting? 12x, and if we add both the numbers plus 8 equal to 56. Take this number to RHS, as because previously we know that we have to keep all the variables in LHS and numbers, that is constant, in RHS. So 12x, 56 minus, if plus 8 goes to RHS, we will be getting minus 8. So 56 minus 8 is 48. 12x remains the same. In order to get the value of x, we have to remove this 12. So here it is multiplication, operation between variable and the constant is, here is multiplication. If it goes to RHS, it gets divided by 48, right? So either you can cancel it in 2 table, 4 table, or any other table also it's possible. So here I am directly cancelling in 12 table. It's your convenience. So 12 ones are 12, 4s are 48. So x is equal to 4. And question, they have asked the present ages. So you need to substitute this x value in 5x and 7x. If suppose in question, if they are asked what are the ages of Rahul and Harun after 4 years, if they have given in the question like that, you need to substitute here. That's why I have written separately in order to differentiate, so that you will be understanding. So if they have asked after 4 years, means you need to substitute the x value in here. If they have asked to if they have asked percentages of Rahul and Harun, you kindly substitute here. So 5x and 7x is the our need. So here we are substituting the x value. So 5x is equal to 5 into 4 is 20, and 7x is 7 into 4 is 28 years. So hence the age of Rahul is 20 years and age of Harun is 28 years. So now we'll see 10th question. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. So they have not given how many boys and girls are present in the class. So they have given in ratio. So as because we don't know how many number of boys and girls are present in the class, we are taking it as the number of boys be 7x and the number of girls be 5x. As because they have given boys and girls, check it in the same order. If you are considering the ratio, while considering the ratio, so 7 is for boys and 5 is for girls. So 7x, the number of boys be 7x and the number of girls be 5x. Then next what they have given is the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So for girls you need to put plus 8. So that's it. So we got the equation. What they have given is the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So then girls boys number is high, right? So we are writing 7x equal to 5x plus 8. So if we are taking this 5x there, we will be getting 7x minus 5x equal to 8. As because variables are in LHS, we should take all the variables to LHS and numbers to RHS. So we get 7x minus 5x, we will be getting 2x equal to 8. 8 remains the same. So in order to get the value of 8, we need to remove this 2. So as it's being in multiplication, if you take to RHS, it will be divided, it get divided, right? So 2 ones are 2 fours are, so x is equal to 4. Now we need to find the number of boys and girls, right? So what we have taken is 7x 5x, substitute this x in this. 7x, 7 into 4 is 28 and 5x, that is 5 into 4, 4x, substitute this value 4 in this. Okay, so we'll be getting 28 boys and 20 girls. In question they have asked what is the total class strength. So we need to find both boys and girls. We need to add both boys and girls so that we'll be getting the total strength. So if we add 28 and 20, we'll be getting the answer as 48. Thank you for watching this video. If you have missed the previous video, kindly check out the description box, and if you have any queries or any doubts, kindly comment in the comment box. Thank you.